tomorrow is Christmas, and before Christmas happens, we want to wish you so many good things. One, for the country, we wish everyone peace, love, harmony, no corruption, just loving one another, prosperity, and a greater economy for the whole of the Philippines. And para sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng House of D, we thank you for always watching our shows. Maraming salamat na lagi niyo po kaming inaabangan. At sana po patuloy kayong kasama namin na tumawa, umiyak, matuto. Kasi dito po sa House of D, yun lang naman pong gusto namin gawin. Bigyan kayo ng kaligayahan, bigyan kayo ng impormasyon, at pasiyahin kayo. Higit sa lahat, we wish that for every family, God will always be in the center of your family. Kasi lahat po ng biyaya, lahat ng blessings, everything comes from God. So, we just want to give the glory back to God. And from the House of D to all of you,
Merry Christmas!
and a blessed and prosperous New Year. Dahil dito sa House of D,
You are family!
Yay!